Walls looking rough? Need help with that last minute project? If that's the case, it's time to get level. Pulley's Perfect Finish is here to lift your project.
Okay, we're in another beautiful neighborhood, fixing to do the patch inside of a house that they cut out for electrical reasons. And let's go in there and see what we got going on. Okay, we're here. Got my old trusty tape rack there. I'm a little old school, but please leave in the comments if there's a new way, because I want to be the first in line. I love new techniques and new stuff that maybe I might not know, and I feel like I will learn to the day I pass away. And sometimes I learn things from people that don't even know how to do drywall or paint or anything, because they're looking at the bigger picture. You're being more specific, and you're staring at it, and you have all these ideas that, you know, man, we got to make it complicated. And then somebody that knows nothing about painting will come up and just state the obvious, like, why don't you do it this way? And you know what, man? That is awesome, you know, and I love it. So if you have anything that you need to say that I could be doing different or that could help out anybody else, please leave it in the comments. All right, now what we have here, if you can see it, the lighting is terrible. The patching the wall. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to get it taped today. We can get this. Oh yeah, maybe that'll work right there. Again, what we're going to do is we're going to mud on there, smaller than the blade. Come across, handle to the wall. At the end, we're going to come from our tape rack, stick it to the wall, and cut, just like that. Then we're going to smooth everything out. Not too much, too little. You'll figure that out from experience. A lot of drywall and mud work and stuff, it's just from trial and error, because everybody's body works a little bit different, and you know, you'll figure all that out. But I can show you the basics and show you how to get in a good position to make sure that you turn out a good product. Okay, we're going to do the bottom one like that. And we'll just go and make sure we cover up all the lines. Plenty of tape under the mud. And there you have it. And we'll be back next time, and we'll put a float on this. Until then, remember, it's always a good day to rock and roll. Have a good one.
Walls looking rough? Need help with that last minute project? If that's the case, it's time to get level. Pulley's Perfect Finish is here to lift your project.